everyone, welcome to Luxury Solo Explorer. Today we are in the colorful city of Hanoi, Vietnam. I'm standing right now in the old quarter in the world famous train street. So the train is about to come in a moment from now. So as you can see, there are a lot of people, they're taking their pictures. You can see the colorful flowers and the decoration around us. It's really mind blowing. Like I really love it when I saw it for the first time. I felt that this is so amazing. So let's get straight into it. So I can see there's some people walking. If I walk further up, you can see that there is a colorful flags of Vietnam. They are there. There's a lot of decorations on both sides of the street. There are literally like hundreds and thousands of tourists like me who are waiting for the train to come. It's a world famous sort of moment. A lot of people from different parts of the world come to see this moment, and you can see the colors around me. People have decorated this street like anything. So I'm really excited. There's a lot of festivity in the air, and I'm excited what's going to happen when the train is going to come. But if you look at people over here right now, they're just walking on the actual the train path, and they're trying to take the pictures, and the shopkeepers, they're just trying to encourage everyone to just come and sit on the track. So let's get into it. I can see, I think the train is coming now. So yeah, the train is coming now. So you'd be able to see the train. There is a person who's actually standing in front of the train trying to take the pictures as well. What do you see? A lot of people on the other side. They are taking the pictures. There we go. So here is this wonderful train which is coming. Thankfully, it is not as fast as what I expected it to be. So now we have come to the food street in the old quarter. There's a lot of food over here. As you can see, it's very crowded. There are a lot of people who are sitting on the street and they're enjoying the street food. There are a lot of tourists again like me who are basically enjoying. The banh mi over here is really famous. So if you're really fond of the street food, then you must come here and try the banh mi, which is available over here. The smell is pretty different from what I would experience in Australia. It's a little bit, it's sort of like a sensory overload. But yeah, I mean, if you haven't tried it, then definitely try the authentic Vietnamese food. It's really wonderful, and it's amazingly cheap. Like you can get a real meal for less than $1.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah.
Look at the colors. Now that I've been through hell, looks like gold almost.
Never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
So today I've come to the world famous Incense village. The official name of this is Quang Phu Cao, but you can see this is basically the entrance of the village where you're supposed to park the car and then you're supposed to walk. This is the other side. There is another side where you can park as well. This is where the incense sticks are made, and you can see they are being processed with the machine. There are a lot of big people who are taking the pictures. They're basically showing how the incense sticks are made. You can see all of these bundles over here. I'm quite amazed by the standard of this and by like how much is being made over here. Just see how it is made. Like it's amazing, really amazing. It's ancient art and they have maintained it even till today. So the kind of manufacturing is being done. And now you can see this this lady over here, this lovely lady. She's actually showing us how to make the famous Vietnamese cap, or the hat, not the cap, but the hat. So she's making the hat over here, as you can see. So, and she's just showing how it looks like what kind of things are there in the hat. She's just showing that how it is going to look like. So that's really amazing. Just have a look at it. And then once it is made, they actually do some kind of amazing painting on it. They do some amazing colors. There we go, as you can see. So they do some amazing colors on that. And yeah, it's pretty quick. I didn't know that it's going to be so quick. And you can actually buy the plain hat, and if you're fond of painting, you can paint yourself. Like this little girl over here, she's doing the painting, so you can do it yourself as well if you like. So now this is the moment everyone has been waiting for. You can see the amazing colorful sandalwood incense sticks. They are red in color. There are some amazing green color, yellow color. There you see the Vietnamese flag, which is being made over here with the incense sticks. It's so beautiful. Like, it's very small though, but it's very beautiful. The way it is done, it's mind blowing. If you come and have a look at it, you can get a lot of Instagram worthy pictures from here. Must recommend it. And it's not very far from Hanoi. It's only about 30 kilometers. Now, last but not the least, I've come to the Mega Grand World. This place is known as the Venice of Hanoi. You look at all the statues, you look at all the malls, you look at all the buildings. It's all European inspired backdrops. You see even the boat, which is inspired from Venice. It's really amazing. The buildings are really colorful. They have massive fountains. If you see it in the night, which I'm going to show you in a moment, just look at this little train over here. There are a lot of shops. There we go. So now I've got the night shot over here. Thanks a lot for watching Luxury Solo Explorer. Remember, it is luxurious, it is solo, and it is authentic. Thanks a lot. Bye.